Your website is the digital face of your business. It's where potential customers go to learn about you, your products or services, and why they should choose you over your competitors. But what happens after your website is live? That's where website management comes in. Website management is the process of keeping your website up to date, secure, and running smoothly. It is essential for businesses of all sizes, as it ensures that their website is optimized for the best user experience. Without proper website management, a business may experience slow load times, security breaches, but most of all, outdated information. The RUA SIMPLEPLAN offers website management services as part of the package, which includes a range of website development and management services, free website hosting for life, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. By using SIMPLEPLAN, businesses can save time and money by having all their website and online needs met in one place, without the added cost of hiring separate providers for each service. Don't risk the functionality and security of your website. Sign up for SIMPLEPLAN today and get website management service included for free. This is a limited time offer and may be removed from the plan without notice. Need more information? Book or contact us today to learn more about our SIMPLEPLAN and how we can help you with your website management needs.